Y'all check this out. This ain't my normal setup, and this ain't Crazy Nana.
No.
She is back there.
She's back there.
I don't know if you can see her or not, but she's back there. Y'all check this out. I told you when we had the 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready, we're going places. Well, we went somewhere, and we brought it with us. We're in Pigeon Forge.
That's right.
Down by the river. Now, I'm not living in the van down by the river. You get that? Sound out loud?
I did.
He did. Okay, Eric got it. Thank you. Let me know in the comments if you got it. But we are down by the river with the Blackstone. And guess what? They've never tried Smashburgers.
Nope.
Crazy, I know. So guess what they're going to get tonight? Smashburgers. Now, I have a special request. Oh, where is that? Tyler wants a taco Smashburger. And also, I'm going to do some taco Smashburgers and some regular Smashburgers. And we're going to get their reactions and see if Crazy Pop Cooking is as good as what the crazy kids say it is. I don't know. Maybe they've been lying to me. Maybe they'll lie to me. I don't know. Whatever it takes. Anyhow, we're going to get this thing fired up. We're going to get everything going. Oh, and by the way, y'all, this is Dawn from Just Out and About. Link down below, and behind us over here is Smoky Mountain Hiker. You want to see some awesome pictures of the Smoky Mountains and the hiking trails? Go check out Smoky Mountain Hiker. His video's down below. Go check out some awesome parks and all kind of places. Check out Just Out and About. Link is below. Eric, behind the camera over there, runs Dollywood Dreaming and Between the Parks and Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Several channels and our several things on Instagram. Go check them out. Links down below. Speaking down below, check out our Facebook, our Twitter, our Pinterest, our Instagram. We got an email, we got a P.O. box. We got all kinds of things down there. And we also have a recipe playlist you need to check out. You don't like our Smashburgers, there's probably something else in there you might like better. Either way, check it out. Let us know. Let's get to cooking.
And we can't wait for Crazy Pop to cook for us because, hey, we've never eaten Crazy Pop's food before. So this was really just a joke.
Photoshop does wonders.
It was really just a joke earlier this week. I was like, hey, let's cook out at Pigeon Forge. You can always bring the Blackstone. So he decided he would.
And here it is.
We're ready.
Let's get this thing heated up. Let's get it cooking. All right, we're going to get this bad boy fired up. But if you notice on ours, we don't have that igniter button no more. These, couple clicks. There we go. Oh, there we go. Well, now we're going to cook this bacon, so we want the bacon down low because we're going to cook it low and slow. We're into that fat out and put them burgers on there and let that burger cook in that bacon grease. Oh, yeah. Now that we got the griddle heating up, let's show you what we're going to cook. Of course, we got some ground chuck here. We got several packs of it now. We're out here at a picnic shelter, so this is what we got. We got some cheese, got some tomatoes, some lettuce, of course, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard. But now, like for the taco ones, we got some taco sauce and some taco seasoning. Got some pickles back there. Got some salt and pepper that we're gonna season some of the burgers up with. Got some bacon up under the patties here. Bread. And of course, we got some bread. I don't think I left anything out. If I did, I'll let you know later. But I think for the most part, this is gonna make our smash burgers pretty dang good. Crazy Pop has some help tonight. Got them back there making up the balls for the hamburger balls. For the smash burger. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bacon started. Got some white smoke come off the griddle. Y'all listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but it said shh. Now, I did not, and I probably should have, being I'm feeding friends, buy the $1 bacon. But you know, at the end of the day, it's still bacon. So the very first thing y'all see him being put on this 22-inch Adventure Ready is bacon. What y'all think about that? All right, the bacon's on. We got this thing on low, so we're kind of rendering that fat out. We got a lot of bacon. And then we're gonna put these burgers on. All right, y'all. They got all the hamburger balls made up. These are roughly about a 4 ounce. Look at Tyler trying to get one already. These are roughly about a 4 ounce, loosely packed ball of hamburger meat. Now this is ground chuck we're using, so they shouldn't shrink up too much. Give y'all a little behind the scenes that you don't normally see. There's some big balls made right there, some big hamburger balls. Got some bacon cooked. I mean, we're all just sitting out here having us a good time. French kids over there drinking beer. No, they're not drinking beer, y'all. They really ain't. I don't know if you can see down there, but look, we really are down here by the river. I want to show you something else real quick. Check it out. It's kind of mist and rain out here tonight, but there's a fire pit out here too to sit down by. That's why we're not out here by the fire pit, because it's kind of raining. As you can see, the sidewalks and everything are wet. But it is a beautiful night down here in Pigeon Forge. Alright, y'all, the bacon is done finally. So we're gonna take this up. But what I'm not gonna do to clean this griddle, I'm gonna leave the griddle a mess. And there'd be a reason why. Because we're gonna take them onions and throw up in here and saute them onions. Oh yeah. So there we go. We have bacon, as you can see, for everybody. We got crispy, we got kind of cooked, we got floppy, we got every. So we can let people pick over the bacon that they want. Bacon's done, let's get it over here, let's get these onions on. Won't take the onions long, there's the burgers, and then that toasted buns up, won't take long at all. Look here, Junebo's behind me with the onions, I didn't know it. We got a plate full of onions here cut up. Get them on here. Now, oh man, the smell now, buddy. Y'all, you've seen Smoky Mountain Hiker in the background over here. And you know, I always thought William over here is just a nice, calm, cool fella. Y'all, you get out here cooking down by the river with some friends. Now let me tell you, we're cooking the bacon, find a party animal. You hear me? Party animal. I thought the hiking was just something he enjoyed. No. Dudes clubbing, karaoke, dancing. He was out here breakdancing and pop locking. You should see them. Crazy, crazy. The onions are now done. So let's get these up. We're gonna put them in the same pan here as the bacon. Kind of let people make their burgers if they want to. Whatever. We're gonna get these up. Get us some burgers down. All right, y'all. Bacon's done. Onions done. We got a plate full of burgers. And I don't know who's gonna eat all these. We might start somebody walking down the strip and saying, hey, you want a burger? Anyhow, let's get these on here. It's gonna take a while to cook all these, y'all. All right, y'all, we've turned this griddle up to high. Got us some hamburger balls on here. Time to smash them down. Smash them. All right, y'all, I got an ugly one. So Tyler's gonna put his floppy bacon on that one. Now what I'm looking for is you want the sides up to kind of brown up and you want the juice to start come up in the middle, then you know it's time to flip. All right, y'all, they start to brown up. So what we're gonna do, come in here, you want to scrape it, flip it. And as you can see, that crust and that sear is still on that burger, and there's your flavor. So while those are cooking on the other side, we'll take us a piece of cheese. Got some Kobe Monterey Jack. It smells really, really good on these burgers. Cover them up like that. Okay, y'all, these 6 are done. We ain't got like 25 more to go. So. Let's get these up. Think about those. What y'all think about those?
They look great.
That's because they're hungry. We're gonna put down some more. Put down that baby one there. That'd be Bryson. So even he knows.
Yeah.
That's where they're supposed to be. That's where they're supposed to be.
Now I'm going to go with somebody in the bathroom and on the floor.
We're gonna season these with some taco seasoning. I don't know how much to use, but I'll tell you what, we'll use that much. Oh, I smell. Now that's a smell. All right, y'all. Tyler's in training. He's gonna learn to cook these smash burgers. So we're gonna give these burgers a flip. We're gonna give scrape up on there. Scrape it. There you go. Scrape one good fast time. Oh, look at that sear on there. Oh yeah. There you go. Scrape it. There you go. Hey, I'm gonna go over here, y'all. Tyler, let me know when it's done, buddy. Tyler's got it going on, y'all. He's got it. Look, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. He has loaded it
You need
down.
another pack of taco season there?
Maybe we got it. That's good.
I think I'm gonna sleep pretty good tonight. I'm still trying to hurt about Toast these buns up just a little bit. Because who don't like a good toasted bun? Eric, you like toasted buns?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he likes toasted buns. All right, the Smoky Mountain Rapper over here. Smoky Mountain Hiker, how is it?
Very good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You ever had a smash burger before?
No.
Really? So pretty good, huh?
Yes, it is.
You want another one?
I will get another one.
Okay, there you go. You heard the man. He said he likes them, and we'll get another one. Too. Smash burger, burgers are good. But that smash burger, like extra char on there, gives it just that little extra something. We're gonna find out some taco smash burgers. Now, Crazy Michael's done dug in. Oh, look there, the June bug. Is it good, buddy? Yep, it must be. He won't stop long enough to tell me it's good. Michael's done devoured his. Was it good? Yep, you want another one? 3 more. Oh, he finna get some more. Look at him. He's eyeballing down the table to see if there's any more already left. Okay, y'all. Tyler, he didn't put no lettuce or nothing like that taco. How is it?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it with taco sauce.
Yeah, put some taco sauce on there, of course. Okay, he tried it without the sauce. How is it with the sauce?
Pretty good.
Like it better?
I haven't tried it with sauce yet.
Oh, not with. Oh. Okay, with the sauce. Here we go.
With the sauce. All right. With the sauce, it tastes like a taco.
Tastes like a taco with it. Yep. There you go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Look at that burger, y'all. Y'all look at this burger. Let's see. Do it. There you go. So how's the smash burger?
It is delicious.
Smash burgers are pretty good, ain't they?
We couldn't have got a burger this good any place that we were going to eat.
You know, and the funny thing, a lot of people think smash burgers are not juicy. That's a very juicy burger, ain't it?
It's very good.
What all you got on there?
I've got, it's fat. I've got tomato. Look at that. Ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, bacon.
You loaded yours up then.
I loaded it up. So I'm
I
gonna
hear you.
sit down before I spill it.
All right. Glad you enjoyed it. All right, Doodle. What you got there, buddy? Try it out. That's a big bite. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Sorry, you got to say about it? It's just good?
Yeah, buddy.
He done called me out, y'all. Is it good?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. It's just that simple. You know, Blackstone with a 22-inch Adventure Ready. Told you we was going places with it. Well, we did, and guess what? Brought some friends along with us. They seem to be enjoying it. Is it
It's
good, y'all?
delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Thumbs up. Super simple, super easy, super delicious. That easy. So to tell you what, y'all be sure to check out Just Out and About. Told you before, tell you again, links down below. Be sure to check out Smoky Mountain Hiker. Might do some break dancing. We never can tell what he's gonna do. Right out of frame over there. Y'all go to Instagram. You check out Between the Parks, Dollywood Dreaming, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Can't say it. That other thing, yeah. Also, Ben, if you're watching, Ben Cooks. Awesome meeting you today, buddy. It really was. We got to get together and we got to do some cooking. So, hope y'all enjoyed this and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.